Why do I keep getting this sticker that you refuse in an interview? Did you refuse? No, come up here. We're not playing games. Come forward. Ready to proceed on the motion?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Knight was scared for a minute. He's like, what? That's not me. All right. Court is calling 2022 CR 8435, State of Texas versus Henry Knight Jr. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Counsel for defense.
And are you Mr. Knight?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Knight, I'm showing you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Henry Knight Jr. who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 8435 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on February 21st, 2023 for a period of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violating condition number 6, on or about the 4th day of May, 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Henry Knight Jr. departed Bexar County without the written permission of the court and or the supervision officer, a violation of condition number 6.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violating.
Any objection?
No objections.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 6, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 6 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There it is, Your Honor.
What are you requesting?
Adjudicate guilt, revoke the defendant off his probation, and sentence him to 2 years in the Texas Department of Corrections.
All right, counsel, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Mr. Knight, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, just give me one moment. Here it is. All right, probation. On this case with Mr. Knight, was there any restitution to Marvin Trimble? Okay. All right, thank you. Then the court will follow your agreement, find you guilty, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. There's to be no contact with Marvin Trimble, Trimble. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Knight, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you, Mr. Knight?
I just turned 30.
All right, so you just turned 30 years old. You're going to prison for 2 years. Think about your life and think about where you want to be. If you continue on this path, you're going to wake up and you're going to find that you spent a majority of your life either in somebody's jail or at somebody's prison. I don't think anybody wakes up when they're in elementary school and say, you know, when I grow up, I want to spend the rest of my life in prison, or I want to go to prison, or I want to go to somebody's jail. So you need to find that little boy who wanted to do something with his life, and you need to start doing that. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. Thank you, Ms. Garza.
Thank you, Judge.
He had been placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, sentenced to 8 years of probation. But now, the state alleged he violated condition number 6, leaving Bexar County without written permission from his supervision officer. Before the hearing could even begin, Judge Boyd noticed a sticker on his file, "Defendant refused interview." She called Knight forward, demanding an explanation. That could have turned ugly real quick, she warned. Knight's attorney clarified it was an old sticker from before she was appointed, and Knight himself confirmed he never refused. Judge Boyd's response: communication is key. We don't let things turn ugly in this court. With that resolved, Knight pleaded true to the violation. The state recommended adjudicating guilt and sentencing him to 2 years in prison. Judge Boyd accepted the agreement, adding an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon and no contact with the victim, Marvin Trimble. But then came the moment that mattered most. Looking at the 30-year-old defendant, Judge Boyd delivered a heartfelt warning: think about your life. If you continue on this path, you'll spend most of it in someone's jail or prison. Find that little boy who wanted to do something with his life, and start doing that. Knight nodded, understanding that 2 years in prison was his last chance to change.